Jenny, best idea ever.
I know, it's so hot.
I know, this is so great.
You know what we need?
What?
Beverage.
Ooh, one of those pineapple drinks.
Yeah, hey Jay, can you bring us a pineapple drink over? Oh, you know what? Actually, can you make it 2? Yeah, 2 would be great. Thanks, bro. Over.
Roger Dodger, Jenny. Oh, hey. What are you guys
hey.
doing? What's this?
First of all, you forgot my drink.
Oh,
You can have
I'll go grab another one. What are you doing? Is this like a beach day or something?
Yes, beach day.
Absolutely. It's a
Cheers.
little hot, but
Thank you for the drink.
I'll be right back. I got something. Hold
Okay, yeah, hopefully your drink.
on. Ready to party, guys. Beach party is on. What's
you
going
got
on?
Oh, God!
What? Come
Come
on.
on, dude!
What?
Woo, Magnum PI.
Oh, dude! No!
Jenny,
No.
this only got me
No,
banned from
I'm
one
out.
beach.
I'm out.
It's not a
I'm
big
out.
deal. What? Melissa, is this bad?
Yeah, you do you.
Yeah, all right. Thanks. Jenny's lost, right?
Yeah, oh, yeah. Huge loss.
Woo!
Oh, boy. Yep. Yep, get comfy there, buddy.
I'm not okay. I mean, I knew we talked about it, but I didn't think he'd actually do it. Who wears a Speedo? Oh.